Hello. So you want to create a numbered list in Excel? Let me show you how you can do this. I will be using three methods to demonstrate this. Let's start with the first one. So here you type 1 in cell A2 and then you type 2 in cell A3. So you block 1 and 2 and then you move your cursor to the lower right until you see a plus sign. So you double click and then we can see the sequence. So this is one way that you can have your numbered list. But what happens if I want to delete Anita? So I delete this row and we can see that there is a distortion because we have 3, we have 4, we have 5 and then 7. We don't have 6. So we can see that with this first way there is a problem with that, and we can solve it with the second method that I'll be showing. So we delete this line and then we use a formula called sequence. So you put here, you write sequence, you click on it, and here is for us to show the number of rows. So we can see that we have 11 names, so we put 11 here, we close, and then we have it solved. Now if we delete Peter, we can see there's no distortion in the sequence. But here we can see there's an empty space. And even if we continue to write a name here, this cell is empty and we don't want it that way. So we are going to solve this issue with the third method. So I'll delete this. I will delete the formula, and then for the third method you have sequence again, and this time you have count A, and then we choose the column B or the column B. So because we don't know how many names in the future we are going to add to, right? And then you close here, then you put here -1, you close again. So the reason why we are putting -1 is because in the row 1 we have the headings, the number and names, and we are only starting from A2. So that is why we have -1. So let's see, when we click enter, we can see this. So now let's try to write a name here. We will write Smith, and now we can see that it is working. We can see everything works perfectly well. So these are the three ways that you can create a numbered list in Excel. One is without a formula and the other two with formulas, but I will prefer the third method so that I wouldn't have to go back changing the numbers, dragging them. So this will be all for this video. So may I please ask you to comment and then like this channel and also subscribe to it.